Hey everybody, welcome. Going to do something a little different. First time doing one of these, but thought we'd do an unboxing video today and show you the headers that we ordered up for our Gen 3 Hemi swap. We went with the Hooker Blackheart series. This particular style is a log style header. We're looking for something that would be compatible with doing a single or dual turbo setup on the 64 Plymouth, and figured this might be the best way to go. What we'll likely do when we mount them is we're going to swap sides, point them forward, and be easy to pick up the exhaust and hook up the turbos that way. So what we have here, again from Holly Group, their Hooker Blackheart series. This is a part number BH2375. And what you get in the box, of course, is the pair of headers. So this is a stainless steel header, really nice thick flanges, both on the collector and on the exhaust manifold side. Pretty simple in design. The welds are really nice and clean. Great looking header. So we've got that. And then let's see here. So we have the driver and passenger side header. Also in the box you get a full set of hardware, so header bolts, collector bolts and washers and nuts. You get the mounting flanges, the gasket plate, and stickers, always good for the toolbox. And then with the Holly product, it looks like if you go online and register your product, you can extend your warranty from what would be a 90-day warranty to a full year. And then as far as the application of these goes, so they do fit 2003 to 2021 Gen 3 Hemis, 5.7, 6.1, 6.2, and 6.4 liter. Some of their recommended applications are the 66 to 72 B body, Plymouth or Mopar with manual steering, 70 to 74 E body with manual steering, 1987 to 1996 Dodge Dakota two-wheel drive, 97 to 04 Dakota two-wheel drive, and then the 72 to 93 Dodge D100 pickup. Only footnote here says it will not fit the A-body vehicles. I'm not sure for the reasoning of that, but in our application, we have a ton of room in the engine compartment, so fitment really isn't a concern. So I think these will do the trick. So thanks for tuning in and watching this short video. If you're looking for a set of headers for your application or your engine swap project, be sure to check out the Holly Hooker Blackheart series. Lots of different applications there for many different fitments. So thanks everyone. Have a great day.